Hey ladies. Okay, so real quick, I'm just going to go through and talk about how you will submit a personal order if there are things that you want to order for yourself. So all I did was I first went to my Norwex.biz and I logged in. You will see if you have any open parties set up, you will see those over here. I have several set up, but you may not have that many, and that's totally fine. And so I always like to set up my own party where I am a hostess over here, and I do have one on there. It's just I'm on the first page, so you can't see it. But I always keep a running party going for myself, so that either when I order things or when friends of mine order things and they don't have a certain host, it all goes under me. Once that gets up to like over the 550, over 750, or over 1,000, depending on what I want from the hostess sheet, I will cash in those hostess rewards, and I'm making both the 35% commission and the hostess rewards that month. So let me show you kind of what I'm talking about. So I'll go to my orders, create a new order, and you want to do a customer order ship now option, because you want that to ship immediately, and then you can tack it on to a party. If you do just a personal supply order or a party order, it may not ship until you close out that party, but we want it to ship immediately. So I'm going to hit the customer order ship now, and then you're going to scroll down and you can just type yourself in. A lot of that might pre-populate. If not, just type in the needed fields. This is my address, so I'm going to hit yes. And then let's say I want to get some EnviroCloths, right? Let's say I'm just going to get a 4-pack. I tend to get those when I need to cut up samples or something. So I'm going to add that to my order. And then I want to kind of talk about a little bit of stuff over here. So you'll see that the item total was $67.99. It's got shipping, it's got tax. This is if I was the customer. So if I was entering an order for a friend of mine, this is what she would pay me. Or I would get her credit card number, and this number right here is what she would pay. However, we get a discount. This month we're actually getting 40% discount. Most of the time that says 35%. So actually, I'm only going to enter if I'm paying and it's coming to me, I'm only going to pay the amount due Norwex. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. You can plug in your credit card. You can do the consultant card on file, whatever the case may be. Some of you might even see, well, actually it doesn't show up here, but sometimes when you're doing this, it'll say like you can pay with your account balance, meaning you can pay with the money that Norwex owes you and just kind of get your discount off of that instead of them actually sending you the payment and then you turning around and paying them. So sometimes they will let you do that. So you just add that. I'm not going to because I'm not really ordering this, but that's how you would do. And when you click next, obviously I didn't submit a payment and I needed to. What I want to kind of highlight next is this add order to the party. So you can click on that and select whichever party you want to add it to. So you'll see down here, I always have one for myself. And then when you add that party, what it does is it adds that order to your own hostess party so that you're kind of double dipping as the hostess and the consultant. And again, you can do this for any party guest and just put it right on like Jennifer's party, right? You can just put it on whatever party you want it to go on. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to try to do a little bit more of these little tutorials for you guys, but if you need me, let me know, and have a good day. Bye, guys.